Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can boost up your Windows 11 performance to the maximum level. I can show you some of the steps that you can do and get more speed in your PC or while doing some work, and you can get more speed. So let's get started. To do that, you have to do is click on the home, right click on the home button like this. Once you click on this home button, and then you will see over here taskbar. So if you don't get this button, so you have to do is simply click on right click on the tab bar, and then you have to do is click on task manager and then open it up. And once you open this task manager, you have to do is click on set startup. So once you click on that, you will get over here a bunch of apps that you have installed on your PC or laptop. So you can simply do is disable all the necessary apps that you are not using, and then you can get more speed or get more performance by disabling all the apps that you are not using, and they take a bunch of RAM memory to run in the background. You have to do is simply disable all the apps that you are not using and then restart your PC, and it's gonna be like you get more speed in your PC and get more performances. So to do the next step, you have to do is press home button like a Windows button, and R you will pop up over here. So you have to do is type over here temp and hit. Once you click on that, or like type over here, and then you have to do is click on OK. Once you click on OK, and then you will pop up on this tab. So you have to do is delete all the files over here. These are like necessary apps, and it's taking bunch of like 1 to 2 KB of speed, and like it's just chassis of PC. So you have to do is delete all these and continue. And once you delete all these, you have to do is delete your recycle bin as well. So I want to show you, as you can see over here, this recycle bin I want to delete.